Hey guys, today we are in a working environment in this Skoda Scala, and I'm going to show you how to enter a hidden service menu in the MIB3 Entry system. So I have the ignition turned on and the system is already on, and right now you need to press over here, or actually put your finger on the menu button and keep it over here for a few seconds, and you are in the service mode. Over here we have three options. First is the software update menu. Over here you can trigger the update pointing to a media source with the next firmware that you want to install. You have status of different sections of the software, and we have logging, so we have history of all updates performed in this car. This car is actually straight from the factory, so we have only just the factory installation over here, and we can see some details about the software train. So we can see that it's a MIB3 entry level, so the lowest one, and what's the mine unit software version. So this is it. And to exit this menu, just press the arrow in the upper right corner. We have some GPS GLONASS tests over here, but this car, I believe, is not equipped with GPS antenna, so we cannot enter it. And we have the FETS swap menu over here. We can see which codes are supported, so we have a list of codes that can be installed in this car, and we have a list of installed codes, so we have those four that are actually paid for and installed in this software, in this mine unit. And to exit this menu, just press this arrow a few times, or you can just press any of the side buttons over here to jump to a different menu and exit the service menu. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this short tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.